Good morning class 6. This is your science lecture unit number 8 energy. In this lecture we will do recall question, exercise recall question. Question number 1. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are also a very important source of energy. Fossil or remains of long dead plants and animals undergo chemical changes brought about by the pressure of layer of earth, turning into fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, gas, crude oil over thousands of years. When fossil fuels are burned, they release their energy in the form of heat. Heat energy is used to produce electrical energy in power stations. Question number 2. What is difference between kinetic energy and potential energy? Kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion or movement. All the moving things have kinetic energy. While potential energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or change in shape is called potential energy. Question number 3. How does sound energy move? Sound is a form of energy produced by the vibration of air particles. When an object vibrates, it makes the air around it to also vibrate. The vibrations travel through the air as sound waves. The sound waves move sound energy from one place to another. All the moving things make sound. A jet engine produces a great deal of sound energy. Firecrackers produce a lot of noise when they explode. Question number 4. What is nuclear fission? When the nucleus of a uranium atom is split, it releases huge amount of heat. Proton and neutron are the main source of nuclear energy. The breaking apart of the uranium atom is also called fission. The heat or energy released by fission can be used to produce electricity. Question number 5. How is solar energy produced? More energy reaches the earth from the sun than could be converted by millions of power stations. We use the sun energy to heat water in our homes or by using solar panel and solar cells. Question number 6. Can energy be made? Energy can change or convert from one form to another. Energy can change its form, but it cannot be made out of nothing, and neither can it be destroyed. Some of the ways in which energy changes. Question number 7. What is the difference between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy? Explain with the help of diagram. Non-renewable energy sources. The energy sources which exist in nature in limited amount and take very long time to replace are called non-renewable energy sources. Examples are coal, crude oil, gas and uranium are examples of non-renewable sources. Renewable energy sources, the source of energy which exists in nature in abundance and can be replaced easily in a short period of time, are called renewable energy sources. Wind power, water power and solar energy are renewable sources of energy. There is a diagram to explain the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Question number 7. Write the name of 4 renewable energy sources. 4 renewable energy sources are solar energy, hydropower energy, wind energy and geothermal energy. Student, your unit number 8 energy is completed. This is your home task. You have to write all these recall questions, question number 1 to 8 on your notebook and learn these questions very carefully. Thanks.